Hey guys, welcome back to another video. In today's video, we're going to be doing a flight from Tampa to Miami with Caleb Nader 2000. And you guys probably saw the thumbnail. We're going to be doing this flight on a Boeing 707. Don't know if this has ever been done before in Microsoft Flight Simulator with the Aeroplane Heaven 707. We're in the Pan Am, and our call sign's Clipper 2109. So go check out Caleb Nader 2000 link in the description, and he's going to be doing a flight with us, and let's connect to VATsim. Alright, I'm connecting to VATsim. Alright, the battery is in the engineer's panel, so there we go, battery is on, and then we can go ahead and start the APU. So I don't think the 707 has ground power, does it? Yeah. Here, wait, I'm actually gonna call you from my computer so it can, like, hear you on the video. Because last video, you couldn't hear you. Alright, I think you guys should be able to hear him now. Alright, my APU is running. I'm gonna turn the generators and bleed. Can you hear me?
Yeah.
Alright.
Wait, should I record? Do you need my footage?
You
So you can
record
like
it
flip
from
between
where?
our screens?
I don't think I need your footage, but if you want, you can record.
Alright, I'll record. I can
Oh,
make a
look,
video.
the model matching. Shout out Caleb Nader 2000. Or wait, what's your actual, you changed it, didn't you? What was it? It's like Caleb
It's
Nader.
just Caleb near 2000.
I know, but didn't you do now you have like your plane spotter too? It's like
Yeah, I
Caleb
just
Nader.
changed the name. It's just
Oh
Caleb
yeah,
near.
still Caleb Nader 2000, guys. I'll link him down in the description. That he's in the American 737 over there.
Hello.
Alright, what's the next step? I have my APU on and my APU generators and bleed. So there we go. I should probably turn this on to battery. I don't know how to fly the first Boeing jet engine passenger thing. I would be flying the 727, but I don't have it. But the 727 is one of my favorite planes. 707 is the closest I'm gonna get because I can't afford the flight sim to flight FSS 727. So I spent all my money. Oh, I can get the fuel pumps on now. Let's go. We're starting this plane slowly but surely. And we do have fuel in the center pumps. And the 707 classifies as a heavy, so I get to use the heavy call sign today. First, put the air conditioning on. There we go. Hydraulics. Going on. Here. We get this on.
The Captain Sim one?
No, this one's
Oh wait, no,
Aeroplane
that's...
Heaven. Oh wait, Captain Sim does have the KC-135 though, right?
Yeah. I saw one fly over my house today.
I was climbing, I forgot where, I think it was Red River Gorge, and then one just flew right over us out of nowhere. And
Oh
the
wow.
climbing guide said that we're like right next to an airbase, and I was like, oh wow.
That's cool. I'm gonna be flying tomorrow night.
Oh yeah, to Las Vegas.
Yeah.
I wish KC-135 still went to O'Hare. Cause they used to, but I've never seen them.
They fly McDill like all the time. That's the airbase in Tampa.
And the lateral navigation. Boop, boop. It's probably not hot, so I'm just gonna turn the window heat off.
But yeah, it's not
And
cold enough for
probably, yeah.
NTS.
Let's see. I think I got it set up this thing. Let me just see. I had so much issues when I was trying to do a flight earlier, or like a couple days ago. Trying to figure out how to work it, but
Did you do a flight yesterday?
I tried. I never left the gate.
Oh.
But now I've learned more about the 707 that I should be able to fly. Alright, also turn the flight directors on. Turn this to nav mode. There. This will also go to nav. I guess we got some like autopilot here.
Miami approach just got on.
Alright, I can start setting up the flight management computer. So I'm just gonna... Does Tampa have any ATC other than center right now?
Nah.
Alright, what's the center?
It's 132.2.
Wait, what was that? Sorry.
132.2.
132.2?
Yeah.
Alright, thank you. 132.2. Alright, what's the information?
American 1226, clear direct back.
Repeat that again for American 1226.
American 1226, clear direct bags. Climb and maintain flight level 340.
Clear direct bags, so we'll climb, maintain level 340 for American 1226.
Sorry for the back and forth, I'm trying to make this work.
Alright, what's the information?
Juliet.
Good afternoon, Southwest 1676, flight level 370. About 10 from charge.
So the 1676, Miami Center, good evening. I'll have lower in about 10 minutes.
This is Clipper 2109 at gate 70 at Tampa. The Boeing 707-300. We have information. Julia requesting IFR clearance to Miami as follows.
I sent you a PDC. The only thing I did was assign you a departure.
Alright, Clipper 2109 heavy. We just received the PDC. Thank you so much.
Moxie 528, the wind 050 at 6, runway 4, clear wind. Heartland 4570, Miami Center, good evening. Climb, maintain flight level 380. American 2592, resume normal speed.
Normal speed, American.
American 813, maintain Mach 0.80 or greater. Maintain Mach 80 or greater, American 813.
There we go.
American 1226, maintain Mach 0.80. Expect the visual approach, runway 1 right, the Tampa altimeter 3015. Party Meyer space to the south, Havana Center is not online. Roll 76 on departure, fly heading 360. Runway 9 or cliff for takeoff, wind 010.
Oh, I'm pushing back.
There you are.
Yeah.
Nice. Alright, I'm gonna start my pushback also. Hex. Off.
Yeah! Ooh,
Other
thank you!
1676, you're leaving my airspace, Orlando approach is closed, we can change your proof.
Big change proof, Southwest 1676, have a good one.
Volaris 297, departing my airspace to the south, no further ATC available, change to advisory frequency approved.
Change to advisor, approved, Volaris 297. Have a great day, see you next time.
Yeah.
Virgin 93 uniform, clear direct Canoa.
Dog, coming a little bit, shouldn't on the pretty good.
You should get the add-on.
Why is
It's not stopping. It stopped on my screen.
yeah, because I used the parking.
Oh.
There
Your brakes are gonna catch on fire.
we go. Alrighty. Let's start these engines.
December maintain 3000, 45 Delta Papa.
And present heading, please.
Present heading 45 Delta Papa.
Nice.
Alright, my dials are going up.
Nice.
Engine number 1.
Nice.
Runway 5207, Quebec, Miami Center, the Miami altimeter 3010.
Miami Center, Double 15, 29, 750320 to cross Impenitent.
American 1614, contact Miami approach 119.45, good day. Four two 42.
4242.
Hi, Mr. Good day, Southwest. What 6?
Miami Center, American 447 on Victor, ready for taxi.
American 447 Miami, hello. ATIS information, Juliet, now current altimeter 3015, runway 1 left, taxi via whiskey.
1 left via whiskey, and we have Juliet for American 447.
At Miami Center.
Well, then I should.
Clipper 2109, taxi. Do me a favor, Victor 3, hold short of whiskey.
Alright, Victor 3 and hold of whiskey for Clipper 2109.
Hold short of whiskey. I'll have traffic passing in front of you, and then I'm gonna have you follow them.
Alright, I need your help here.
Yeah.
Miami, good afternoon.
2109, give way to the American 737, right to left on whiskey. You can follow them to runway 1 left.
Alright, we'll follow the American 737 to 1 left for Clipper 2109 Heavy, thank you. 707 on left.
Miami Center, hello, JetBlue 1013, 7000.
Alright, slow down a bit,
Okay.
JetBlue 1013, Miami radar contact, climb, maintain flow level 360.
I'm going 15 knots.
Roger, contact, I maintain 360, JetBlue 1013.
I have the no smoking sign off, but once I get to my cruise, I'm actually going to turn the no smoking sign off. So, because people could smoke when this plane flew.
I can.
Yeah,
Oh, yeah.
the Pan Am 707, I bet the whole plane was filled with smoke. But it's not.
Yeah. When you pull up, it's gonna be like crazy.
American 1410, descend via the May 84 arrival, correction, May 85 arrival. Expect the visual approach runway 1 left, Tampa altimeter 3015.
I wish you saw it.
Send me 85 and in runway 1 left, 2015, American 1410.
American 447, runway 1 left, clear for takeoff, wind 240 at 6.
1 left, clear takeoff, American 447.
Oh, there's no clock in this one,
Alright, everything's set, I think.
I have all 6 landing lights on.
Miami Center, good day. This is Charlie Gox, Charlie Victor uniform on the ground.
That's a cool takeoff. It looks like the winds are like perfect.
What?
Clipper 2109, heavy, runway 1 left, line up and wait.
Clipper 2109 heavy line up right, runway 1 left. Thank you.
Very Flight Center, ready for taxi, expected departure 1 left on Yankee.
Was that American 2010 calling for taxi?
Affirm, American 2010.
American 2010, runway 1 left, taxi via Whiskey.
Whiskey to 1 left for American 2010, thanks.
American 447 passing 3,000 for 6,000.
American 447, thanks, your radar contact. Turn left heading 210, climb maintain 12,000.
Left 210 and up to 12,000 for American 447.
A for
Alright.
Charlie Golf. Charlie Victor uniform, I have a full route. Clipper 2109 heavy, runway 1 left, clear for takeoff.
Clipper 2109 heavy, clear for takeoff, runway 1 left, thank you.
American 447, 1 direct Gandhi.
Now requesting further descent, please.
American 447, clear direct Gandhi.
Canadian American 447.
Southwest 4669, descend via the Captain 3 arrival. Landing east, altimeter 3011.
This is about Captain 3 arrival, land east, altimeter 011. And we have the Smash Hotel, Southwest 4669.
And Miami, Delta 9970, 16,000.
Delta 9970, Miami, climb maintain flight level 240.
240, Delta 9970.
Oh my gosh.
American 2010,
Blue
look at 1 left
1529,
for
descend
about
maintain 8,000.
we have to fix something in our MCD.
We gotta crash.
8,015 knot.
I'm in the air, I'm in the air, I'm in the air.
American 1540, expect the visual approach, runway 6 to Fort Myers, altimeter 3012.
Oh, flaps.
We'll expect the visual approach for runway 06 of Fort Myers, American 1540.
Oh,
Miami Center, American 1733.25 to the east of Orlando, 16,000, climbing 230.
Did you
American 1733, Miami Center, climb maintain flight level 230.
230, American 1733, thanks.
Charlie Golf, Charlie Victor uniform, go ahead with your readback.
Verified uniform is clear to Fort Lauderdale, Tampa, Gandhi 8, departure, SADI transition, PT3 arrival, climb 6,000, expect flight level 250, 10 minutes after departure, and stroke 4655.
Charlie Golf, Charlie Victor uniform, readback correct. Number 25, Charlie Juliet, Miami Center.
oh my gosh, I almost just crashed. That was not good. Oh, where the heck is my flight plan? I'm gonna have to disconnect. The Bear 2109 heavy, we're gonna have to disconnect. Our plane is not showing any headings at the moment.
Roger.
Dang.